Here's how you can make Sonic. Original design from 1991. He was a bunny the whole time. Anyways, just here's the scale. Real hair 21. Okay. I already forgot my freaking. But who cares? I don't care. George, why don't you tell us all about them, please? I would love to. All right, first up, create curls and waves with this ceramic auto-rotating curling iron as a digital temperature display. And blend drinks and make infused water with this 2-in-1 blender and hydration system. And then finally, this smart white noise machine has an adjustable fan tone and 10 volume settings. So Kelsey, as the tailor crawl across. No, if you guys can find this, just do it anyways. $16.65 for front hair. $23 for stomach or body, whatever. And this $59.62 for stomach. $24 for arms and it's in sleeves. Okay, this is good. Oh my god. I mean, I do be trying. But I can ignore it. Who cares? Who gives a freak? I don't give much craps. I don't give a crap about it. 39.80 for arms? No shoes, I guess, because I don't know. Oh. $3 for gloves. No, I think that's it. Yeah, no. The nose. Okay, I got an itch. And oh my god. $32.74. You know, that nose. 98 for eyes. 24.66 for face.
And that's it. Oh yeah, the color. I meant to say and the color. Just copy. Red. Outline. Copy. And the tail. 4 for tail. Anyways. Just keep and that's it.